Alright, so before we begin, we'll just go over how this whole Dolly Parton challenge started. Just a quick Google search here and we'll reveal how this whole thing started. So after her 74th birthday, I guess she kind of put together some kind of meme which shows her a photo for each one of her social media profiles. It was just kind of a joke, get you a woman who could do it all. Quickly kind of blew up online and it went viral. So there's one from Miley Cyrus. Oprah did a pretty funny one there. Kerry Washington, Jennifer Gardner had a good one too. And here's a great one from Mark Hamill. See his Tinder pic there. And then there's one from Ellen. I think she's dressed up as Cher. So, and here's one from Will Smith, and it just kind of goes on and on. There was just a bunch of celebrities, and there's a hilarious one there from Terry Crews. They're all pretty much the same. And even one from Mark Ruffalo. So we'll get right into it here. So in your App Store or Play Store, let's just look for any good collage maker. And so I went with this one here. It's got 5 million views. It's got good ratings. And it's just something basic, something you can add 4 photos in. So we'll go to Collage, click Allow, and then select your 4 photos. And here we've got Baby Yoda. We've got 4 different photos there. Alright, so now we're in the main screen. So you click on the text box at the bottom. And then we'll make the first one for LinkedIn. And then just drag that over. And then for the next part, for the next box, you'll have to click into your next photo, and then that'll allow you to bring up another text box. So this one's for Facebook. Drag that over and place it there. And then of course we've got Instagram. Got the Mandolorian Paris Yoda there. That looks like it's good there. And then let's go ahead and do the last one here for Tinder. And go and place that there right on the abs there. Boom. So that looks good. This app does have ads, which is just fine. And here you can see all the social media profiles you could share it to. You could save it. You could share it directly to Instagram. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So there's a good look at it and the final product. So thanks for watching, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe.